Hello everyone, this is the monthly tarot reading for the Taurus sign for the month of August. So here we are going to check how the August month is going to be for the Taurus zodiac. I am here once again from the Tarot Destination and I am welcoming each and everyone who all are watching this video. Wish you all the very best and your month is going to be great. So let's see what Taurus is going to feel in the month of August, what kind of energies are approaching, how the relationship is going to be, and how the career and finance is going to be. So here this is the card which is talking about your overall energy of the month. This is the relationship and this is your career and finance. So one by one we will check everything and you will get to know how your month is going to be. So let's start the reading. So here overall energy of the month is Knight of Swords. To me it feels like I think during the month you need overall analysis. Something changes may happen sudden and you have to just take care of the situation well. If you are not analyzing the situation well, what will happen? The accident may happen. So the month wise I would say it could be a accidental prone month for the Taurus because this Knight of Swords, can you just see here, the person is very fast, the person is going, and if something goes wrong, even one step it will go wrong, he may fall down from this. So this is the overall energy of the month I'm talking about. So you need analysis and yes, you need quick action also. Might be you are going to get some opportunities during the month where your quick action is required for the Taurus, what I feel. Though you people seems to be little like I don't say stagnant, but yes, you people are quite stubborn kind of nature. So for you, it may be difficult to take sudden action, but you have to be ready for that during this August month. Something good things are coming towards you. So please prepare your brain for that, prepare your attitude and your environment for that. I am seeing a lot of good stuff. It is coming relationship wise, career wise, everything, and things need your attention, things need analysis from your side. Still you are not mature enough to take decision, so please take the help of others also and then take decision. So this is the overall energy. Lot of mental game it is coming during the month, so just use your brain more and more. So it is advised to do the meditation a lot so that you will be able to take your decisions well. You will get peace of mind and it is going to help you in the near future. So let's move to the relationship. Relationship is Knight of Wands. Something new it is approaching, some fiery energy, very passionate energy it is approaching. If you are single, so there is possibility you are going to meet someone. It could be something very catchy, very attracting energy, and you are going to get attracted very soon, and it is sure you are going to get attracted. If you are already in relationship, I think you have to look for your relationship well. Some might be one of your partner need your attention, need this kind of passion from you, or might be you need this kind of passion from your life partner. Something is like someone is not satisfied with the relationship, but you can work out, little changes are required. For some people I am seeing kind of relationship break also, but happily you will move on. Might be some new option or new proposal you are going to get and it will work out also. People who are single, if they are looking for the proposal, they are looking to get wedded, so this is a good time. Might be you will get some positive proposals and that will work out also. The person doesn't seems to be but very mature, so little working out it is necessary. I told you, little analysis, the main gist of the month has come, the analysis here, the main card has come. So this is also talking about the person may not be mature enough, either you or the other side. So the analysis is required, your focus is also required, because it may happen you may lose your focus. So this is the card of passion, action. So you have to act, but your action should be wise. So this is the relationship, but overall relationship, if I would say, it is going to be great during the month. Something the fiery energy it is going to work between the people, and you people are going to enjoy, whoever the people, the company, you people are going to enjoy, and it is going to be great for you. Come to the career and finances, Ace of Cups. Here, can you see here the cup is full and water is falling down. This cup is having support of the hand. So just you can imagine you are going to get such kind of opportunity, means your hands are also full and the vessel which you are holding, that is also full. So both are full. Just try to learn the balance. You need a help in order to utilize this extra whatever the water it is falling. So emotionally, your career finances, it is going to be quite satisfactory. As I told you, you need analysis. You cannot be very fast, but yes, you need to be quick decision maker. Action oriented cards are there. So for career and finance also, this is talking about you have to act wisely. Though the card is very positive, some good news may come, some new proposal may come, some new connection may come, some new contracts you may sign. Overall it is a good sign. Only thing is like you need help to manage, because alone what you are doing, you are wasting. So this is a card of, I think you need a company. So ask the help of others, take the advice of others, and then take the decision. Career and finances wise also, some good return you are going to get back. Whatever you had done in the past, I think during the month it is going to give you a good return. Thinking to invest, you can do that. It is a good time. Little care is required, that we know that. So during the month, some new beginning it is going to happen. It could be your new proposal, new assignment, new job also it could be, because here also the suddenly the change it is approaching to you. So it could be a new job, might be some communication is coming and you will go to the new job. So this is talking about a new job also. So little you may feel alone, but you need help of the people, you need company. Slowly you will get accommodated, so not to worry. I think career and finance wise also, Ace of Cups, it is talking about your hands are full, so you can just enjoy the time. But yes, you have to care the things which is falling. If you are going to save that in future, you are going to enjoy that also, because everything is yours. So how much attention you are paying to all this, that matters. So in the long run, it is going to be a great opportunity I am seeing. Overall month for the Taurus, it seems to be quite, I think, action oriented kind of month I am seeing. Though you people are not much active people, quite what I would say, quite fixed kind of nature, I would say, not active exactly, I mean, but a lot of action oriented, lot of movement, lot of changes and sudden changes. These are talking about the sudden changes. So this is the overall energy of the month. I hope reading has resonated with you, Taurus energy. Enjoy the month, no need to worry. If something coming also, I think you will be able to manage the whole situation. So all the very best for your August month. Bye bye.